Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So as you can see, we're in Space Engine again. So we are at this galaxy. This is an E6 galaxy. It's a pretty small one. It looks a bit like a stick. Just a stick. So let's go into one of these inner stars. And it is procedurally generated. See, it looks like a stick or an oval. So this is just pretty regular galaxy. So this one has quite a lot of planets, so let's go to it. Let's go to its first planet first. So this is its first planet. It's pretty close to the star. It may look red over here, but it's actually pretty blue and green. So let's go inside of it. So it's all red, so it's all blue and everything. So a pretty normal planet. It can't land on it, so it's not that interesting. But this one seems actually pretty interesting. However, because it has land, some clouds. It looks like it has some water too. I don't like landing in the water at all. So let's try to get right near it, because if it is water, we want to land on it. So it actually isn't one, it's this giant canyon, which means that be a giant hole. So let's go to our next two planets. So 3A and 3B. So we can see 3B in the distance there. We can actually see planet number 1 and planet number 6 in the distance. So this one is a pretty normal one, pretty normal gas giant. So let's go to 3B over here. So ta-da, it looks pretty interesting. Looks pretty interesting with its yellow atmosphere. It actually gets to that beautiful so without it, it looks pretty murky. Clouds are basically an atmosphere in itself. It's like a desert wasteland. That actually looks like one that we saw before. So let's go to number 4. So here's number 4. See, it's a pretty normal gas giant. Let's go to one of its moons over here. So it looks like a moon, which is pretty normal. It's pretty normal. It looks like a moon, so oh, the holy planet. It's the holy planet. We bow to it. Okay, so that's number 4. So let's go to number 5 now. It's pretty normal. Yeah, that's what I thought. I'm like it could be, but also couldn't. Like, it kind of looks like a gas giant, kind of doesn't, but it is. In fact, is. So yeah, it's pretty normal. Let's go to planet number 6, which is our first planet with rings this looks like a water world, which it is, and which I hate, because I hate water worlds so much. You can actually see the rings. It looks pretty nice, except for the fact that it's a water world. So let's go into this big section of it. Oh, I saw it for like 2 seconds. There we go. Nicely inside, and this one actually looks pretty different compared to the other ones. This one is white instead of, so we like go around the rings. So let's start going to number 7. So this is number 7, Gas Giant. It's got a pretty small core, and it is our second and final planet with rings. So let's go into these purple rings. Purple rings. So here we are, and it's nice purple rings. And it's a pretty normal planet. Oh. It's pretty big too. So let's go to its moon, or one of its moons. Over here. It's pretty rocky. No atmosphere or clouds. Got a pretty marbly texture. And it's got, let's go explore that giant crater over there. So there are like a bunch of giant craters, so let's go up from it. So I will see you guys in the next video.